Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of Eat Prime. I am Daydream. You know what time it is. New Music Fridays. Now Protoje is filling our cups. The Grammy-nominated reggae artist has collaborated with top producer turned artist Ayatosh on the remix of the single Fill My Cup, while sharing the release of the official music video. The Indignation boss said the track is about love and self-reliance, as life is the greatest thing. He added that it is a joy to partake in life with the wider family called humanity.
When you got love, you have no need for fear, you see. Reap what you sow, we in peace and prosperity. Now I'm surrounded by the ones I love, and that all seems so good to me. I'm feeling really up.
Judge a blessing, fill the cup up. So every day we showing love.
For Ayatosh, this is his first full release, as the young producer is also credited as writer and engineer on the track, released on his own Soundting label. Now the talented 25-year-old has multiple nods for Grammys and has credits with top artists like Lila Ike, Coffee, Jesse Royal and Janine. Now Protoje is gearing up for his 10 Years of Indignation tour with 6 stops across California, which kicks off this weekend. Naomi Cohen today dropped 2 tracks from UK top producer Toddler T, showing off her versatility.
Speak your mind, don't be shy. Watch me walk out to your limelight. After me, come to my senses and me see same senses and bright light. Champion bobbing on the dance. See me in me tight up shots. Beg you look away and make my pass. Oh Lord.
Toddler T is also the producer for Naomi's collab with Idris Elba, We Run the Area. Naomi, who just came off shows across Europe and the UK, shared with her fans her pride for her first digital billboard in London. Now, physical tickets for Chris Brown's concert is now on sale. The anticipated end of summer concert, Chris Brown, Under the Influence tour, went on sale this Friday across the island. Fans can secure their tickets for either the bleachers or the grandstand. Alia Barnes from Solid Agency spoke to preparations for the massive show.
The feedback for Chris Brown and Friends has been great. We have a lot of local acts as well to complement. We also have Sean Kingston that will be coming in for that show. And this show is going to be something unlike we see typically here in Jamaica. The promoters really wanted to replicate the tour that he's been doing. So we've spared no expense in bringing in the equipment that we don't have here. You know, the little dazzles, the lighting, the little extras.
Now, what boyfriend? Usher taps Keke Palmer for a new music video, following the drama that unfolded after a tweet from her now ex-boyfriend Darius Jackson went viral back in July. Palmer and Usher are back in the spotlight with the release of his latest single, Boyfriend, which sees Keke as the leading lady taking a jab at the situation with her ex.
Your boyfriend is looking for me, and that's cool, yeah. You should know I'm pretty easy to find. Just look for me wherever he sees you.
That's it for Eat Prime this evening. I am Daydream. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.